In today's globally connected construction and design market, civil engineering outsourcing has moved far beyond its origins as a cost-cutting measure. It now stands as a strategic pathway for organizations that need to accelerate project delivery, access rare technical expertise, and maintain the flexibility to handle fluctuating workloads without compromising quality. Around the world, design consultancies and engineering offices are discovering that outsourcing is no longer merely a back-office function. When implemented thoughtfully, it becomes a catalyst for innovation, a way to bring together specialized skills and fresh perspectives that may not exist internally. What are your thoughts on this topic? Share your experiences and opinions about civil engineering outsourcing in the comments below. Despite these advantages, two persistent challenges remain at the forefront of every discussion about global collaboration: time zones and language barriers. If left unmanaged, they can slow progress, introduce errors, and erode the confidence of both teams and clients. Time differences can create bottlenecks in approvals and leave questions unanswered overnight. Language and cultural gaps can result in subtle misunderstandings that ripple through drawings and specifications. Without proper controls, these issues turn what should be a seamless extension of a firm's capacity into a source of stress and rework. Yet these very obstacles, when approached deliberately, can be transformed into powerful competitive advantages. Successful firms treat outsourcing as a genuine round-the-clock collaboration rather than a transactional service. By deliberately structuring teams across different regions, work continues even when one office has finished for the day. Careful shift planning, overlapping working hours, and transparent handover protocols turn time differences into continuity instead of interruption. Rather than waiting for updates, project managers start their morning with drawings, models, and calculations already prepared overnight. This continuous rhythm shortens schedules, reduces idle time, and allows internal teams to focus on higher-value activities like design reviews and client engagement. Language and culture require the same level of strategic attention. Effective partners do not rely on ad hoc communication. They invest in training, documented workflows, and quality assurance frameworks that make interaction clear and predictable. Engineers who understand international standards and expectations can anticipate potential issues, ask the right questions at the right time, and prevent misunderstandings before they occur. This proactive approach allows client teams to concentrate on innovation, safety, and service rather than coordination headaches. It also creates a working environment where trust can develop quickly, despite geographical distance. One illustration of how these ideas come together in practice can be seen in AXA Engineers. Built with a philosophy of creating stable, well-trained teams and robust communication systems, AXA Engineers shows how an outsourcing partner can integrate smoothly into a client's workflow. Through disciplined quality management, licensed technology platforms, secure data protocols, and structured handover processes, it demonstrates that time zone differences and cross-cultural collaboration can actually accelerate rather than hinder delivery. If you want to learn directly from this experience and stay updated on best practices, don't forget to follow AXA Engineers for the latest and most useful information. Technology amplifies these advantages. Cloud-based project management platforms, building information modeling tools, and real-time communication apps make it possible to share large drawings instantly, track revisions, and maintain a single source of truth across continents. When partners use licensed software and adhere to strict data security measures, intellectual property is protected and reputations are safeguarded. Combined with a motivated, well-supported team, these systems ensure that every drawing and model meets the required standards from start to finish. The common thread among leading providers is a threefold commitment to people, process, and technology. A motivated team produces consistent results. A documented process ensures every step aligns with client requirements, and secure, licensed technology protects the work and the brand behind it. Together, these elements transform outsourcing from a simple capacity boost into a strategic advantage that can strengthen an organization's market position. For civil engineering firms, the lesson is clear. With thoughtful planning and the right partner, time zones and language differences need not be barriers. They can become assets that speed projects, raise quality, and open new markets. The underlying principles, stable teams, Transparent communication, rigorous standards, and secure technology are applicable to any collaboration, regardless of geography or size. They enable organizations to shift their focus from short-term cost savings to long-term value creation and innovation. By turning distance into continuity and diversity into clarity, civil engineering outsourcing can deliver far more than drawings or calculations. It can deliver faster schedules, higher quality, and a new level of resilience in project delivery. For organizations ready to embrace that potential, the future of global collaboration is already here, transforming challenges into opportunities and partnerships into engines of sustainable growth.